Hello and welcome to this guide to the MSC Divina. It's a fantastic class ship which entered service in 2012 and it has room for 4,345 passengers. The ship is dedicated to the Italian actress Sophia Loren, and you can see a lot of elements of class and elegance in the interior design, especially the beautiful Swarovski staircases. They really are stunning to look at. So there's 13 passenger decks in total. Deck 5, about half of that is for cabins, and all of decks 8 through to 13. So reception is on deck 5 within the central atrium. It's the hub of the ship and it's where those beautiful Swarovski staircases are located, and the lovely glass elevators. They're really something to look at. And there's a piano in the middle, and at night time there's entertainment on. It's really a nice place to sit and relax and people watch. And the excursions desk is just upstairs on deck 6. So there's a number of different dining options on the MSC Divina. The main sit-down restaurants are the Black Crab, located on decks 5 and 6, and the Villa Rosa, which is located on deck 6. Both have menus which change every day. Sometimes it's themed towards whichever port you're in, and other times it's themed towards whatever festivities are happening on board the ship. The Black Crab also serves a sit-down breakfast every morning. The buffet is on deck 14. It's usually open from early in the morning until about 1 AM, with lots of different options changing throughout the day, and being an Italian ship, the pizza is especially nice. It can get a little bit busy, especially during lunch, so I recommend heading straight towards the back to find somewhere to sit. There's speciality dining options in Italy and Galaxy, both have to be booked, and there's also casual dining in La Cantina and the sports bar. They're kind of handy if you want to stay away from the crowd of the buffet during the day. There's a number of different bars on board the ship, and within the main atrium area you have the Divina Bar on deck 5, the Silver Lounge on deck 6, and the Cafe Italia on deck 7. They're nice to sit in if there's something going on in the main atrium. The Piazza del Doge is on deck 6, and that's an Italian style cafe that sells ice cream and cocktails and different types of coffees. There's also snacks throughout the day, and just off that is the cigar lounge. It's the only indoor bar you can smoke in on the ship. The Black and White Lounge is on deck 7, and some of the entertainment happens here regularly throughout the day and also in the evening. The Golden Jazz Bar is also on 7. There's live entertainment there every evening, and during the day it also hosts some of the entertainment, especially the trivia. And La Luna is also on 7. It's nice to sit here and just listen to the piano and the singers that they have on. They're really classy and it's a really nice place to sit and enjoy that. Then on deck 15 it's the Garden Bar. This area is reserved for adults only. It has its own pool and it tends to be busy all throughout the day. The pool bars are located in the Aqua Park on deck 14. There's 2 of them, and the Galaxy nightclub is located on deck 16. That gets going about 11 o'clock at night and goes on till the early hours. There's a number of shops on board located on deck 6 and 7. There's a sweet shop, the MSC logo shop, and then shops selling luxury goods such as jewellery, perfume, cigarettes and alcohol. The Pantheon Theatre is on decks 6 and 7, and it really is a beautiful theatre. They put on shows every night and it's always something different. However, it can be a little bit samey towards the end of the week. They have some fantastic singers and dancers, and then they have acrobats and aerialists, and mostly the shows are really well put together. MSC is also the only cruise line that has opera as part of its entertainment lineup, and I'll be honest and say some of it missed the mark with the audience. They didn't really get it, but when the opera singers were involved in the bigger productions, they really added something to the shows. The casino is on deck 6. I'm not really much of a gambler, so I can't tell you how good it was, but it seems to be popular in the evenings especially. The Aqua Park is on deck 14 and it gets really busy on sea days. During port days it can be a lot quieter. There's a lot of entertainment that goes on here as well throughout the day. There's usually a full programme from the morning right through to the evening. There's an indoor pool on deck 14 as well called La Serene. I found it a nice place to go in the evening when it tended to be quieter and people were kind of winding down before dinner. There's another hot tub as well located in the solarium on deck 16. There's a water slide located on deck 16 as well if you're into that kind of thing, and it's beside the sports arena where you can play basketball or soccer, and throughout the cruise there's tournaments organised, so if you're into sport make sure you look out for those. If you like going to the gym, that's on deck 14 and it has a beautiful view at the front of the ship. The spa and hair salon are located on deck 14 and they have really good deals on port days, so if you're not going on shore or if you've got a short excursion, keep an eye out for those. There's a 4D cinema, a Formula 1 simulator and an arcade on deck 16. And the Teens Club and the Kids Club are located on deck 15. So overall, the MSC Divina is a really beautiful ship. It feels luxurious. It's not really a party ship, so if that's what you're going for, this probably isn't for you. But for anyone else, I would highly recommend it.